Not all cables are created equal, and not all of them are built to handle real-world challenges. But this is not your ordinary HDMI cable. It's built by integrators for integrators. At Kordz, we know the frustration of callbacks, signal dropouts, and handshake issues. The wasted time, lost margins, and dented reputations. Often the problem is hidden inside the cable. This is why we engineered a solution. Professional-grade HDMI cables that perform first time, every time. Kordz HDMI cables are not just designed to meet specs on a page, they are Kordzified, a complete rethink of how HDMI cables are built, based on how it is installed and relied upon in the real world. So let's take a closer look inside a Kordz professional-grade HDMI cable, using the PRO4 Passive cable as an example, to see what sets Kordz apart. In the PRO4, we use identically sized, high-quality copper bronze pins for high accuracy and consistent signal. Internal oxygen-free solid copper conductors are precision twisted and shielded, improving signal clarity and noise rejection, especially over long distances. By contrast, generic cables may have irregularly sized tin pins, lower quality stranded conductors, and loose twists that reduce performance and allow more noise. The PRO4 HDMI connector shell is gold-plated for corrosion resistance, engineered for a secure 1 kg retention force and precisely machined for a snug fit. No wobbles, no signal dropouts. Generic HDMI connectors often have thin gold flash or no plating at all, making them prone to corrosion. They may rely on clumsy locking mechanisms that can cause damage and are often loose and unreliable. In the PRO4, we use an HDMI wire manager to keep conductors correctly aligned, protecting signal performance and enabling precision automated soldering. Many generic cables omit this step entirely, leading to weaker connections. The PRO4 HDMI cable is machine-soldered for repeatability and consistent high-frequency performance. Generic cables often use hand soldering, increasing the risk of poor and inconsistent connections. Inside the PRO4 connector, an inner mold permanently holds conductors in place and maintains cable twist to reduce crosstalk and EMI. Generic cables may simply inject molding over joints, leading to delamination, dry joints, and eventually signal failure. For further protection, the PRO4 uses foil shielding from tip to tip, delivering superior EMI resistance. Many ordinary cables lack this critical shielding altogether. Finally, the PRO4 features a lightweight polycarbonate outer shell, a compact head for easier installation, and rounded connector boots that glide through conduits. Generic cables often prioritize appearance over performance, with heavy, bulky designs that make installation difficult. All Kordz HDMI cables are certified, fire-rated and designed for high-frequency, high-bandwidth digital signals. They're built for real installs, not just to look good on spec sheets. Every cable is tested, every detail is considered, because failure is not an option. From a great home entertainment experience to setups in space, Kordz is redefining what HDMI can and should be. Not flashy, not overbuilt, just engineered properly and made well from quality materials from the inside out. For reliability, for consistency, for you. It's HDMI, but not as you know it. Experiencing is believing. Discover HDMI Kordzified.